Hi there, I'm Anja from Mama Knows Luxury. We want to make sure you feel confident knowing exactly what you're getting and exactly how to care for it so that you're thrilled when you purchase your giant yarn. Here are the 6 most important things you should know before ordering your yarn. We source the highest quality 100% merino wool we could find, and it makes an incredible difference. Merino wool is amazingly soft, temperature regulating, and considered by many to be hypoallergenic. We love it. An important note here is that unspun roving is a specialty yarn that we recommend to be used for luxury art decor pieces. Just like you wouldn't take a Maserati out for off-road mudding, you don't want to carelessly drag around your giant yarn blanket and then just toss it in the washer or dryer. I always say that if I didn't have my arm knit blankets on the sofa, I would have them framed on the wall like the pieces of art that they are.
As an example, this blanket has been kept in perfect condition by treating it extra carefully as an art decor piece. And this blanket has been used significantly more. I made both of these blankets about 2 years ago, but you can see a huge difference in how they look just from how they've been cared for. Now, the cream blanket still works beautifully for photos and is a lovely blanket, but up close you can definitely see the aging. This should be a normal expectation for if you want to use your blanket more.
Treating your giant yarn pieces like luxury decor items is a must to keep them looking gorgeous over time. If there's one thing to remember, it's that you are in control of the aging process. Treat your pieces really gently with care and they'll look amazing for a really long time. For all the details on how to care for your giant yarn project, check out our blog post with all the care info, and then we also have a downloadable PDF that we send with every purchase. Next, let's talk about cleaning. Can you wash your merino giant yarn blanket? Yes and no. Let's start with the big no first, which is you should never ever put your giant yarn blanket in the washing machine unless you're planning on felting it. Really briefly, felting is the natural process that happens with authentic wool products where the tiny fibers in the wool fuse together when they undergo friction. Again, this only happens with genuine wool products and it's just a natural part of the aging process. Also, you can felt your wool projects on purpose and it looks really beautiful. It makes the yarn look a little more finished and it also makes it a lot tougher and avoids pilling and shedding. Check out our blog post with video links for more details on felting if you're curious. So you may be wondering, if I can't use the washing machine to clean my giant yarn blanket, how do I clean it? So first, we always recommend just protecting your giant yarn blanket really well in the first place. But we do also understand that life happens. And the good news is that 100% merino wool is amazingly resilient when it comes to spills. To experiment, on 2 separate occasions, I actually purposely spilled both coffee and then also red wine on one of my undyed cream blankets. And amazingly, cold water works wonders. Cold water is really important because hot water will accelerate the felting process, as will handling the wool very much. So it's important when you do this to be very gentle, use cold water, and handle the wool as little as possible. Again, check our blog section for details and a video link which will show you step by step the entire process. Using a gentle no-rinse wool wash is another great option as well. Also, we're always experimenting to find out what does and what doesn't work to provide you more care options for your giant wool projects. Feel free to send questions or request more help by emailing support@mamaknowsluxury.com. Next up, let's talk about what happens if your project starts to pill. So just like your favorite all-wool sweater, your giant yarn project will eventually show some light pilling or light shedding, kind of like a very soft halo. You can pull these pills right off or even use a fabric shaver to gently do some upkeep. So a little bit of pilling and some light shedding is just a natural part of the aging process with giant yarn. But again, you control the aging process, so treat it gently, do a little bit of upkeep, and these will look amazing for years. And again, if you want to use your blanket a little bit more and not worry about accelerating the aging process, felting is a great option. Next up, what about pets and giant yarn? Sadly, pets and giant yarn don't mix very well. Pets tend to make the blankets difficult to clean and do speed up the aging process. We have a big, happy, wonderful dog and he's just the best, but I do keep him and my giant yarn projects happily separated. And number 5, is giant yarn expensive? So we've sourced the highest quality, most luxurious 100% merino wool we could find, and we believe it makes an incredible difference. And of course, the price does go up a little bit when it's a high-end product instead of a lower quality synthetic option. But really, it also just takes a large amount of product to make a blanket this large and chunky. Even if you buy a low quality yarn, in this large of an amount, the price adds up really fast. So really, when you compare pound for pound a cheap product against the merino wool is actually a surprisingly low price. And at Mama Knows Luxury, we really try to keep the prices as low as possible. And one way we do this is by offering free shipping in the US and just a flat rate of $25 shipping to Canada. All right, and coming in last at number 6, should you be intimidated by a giant yarn project? Absolutely not. Most giant yarn projects are suited really well even to complete beginners. Even if you don't have knitting experience or consider yourself a generally crafty person, you can totally handle this. Whereas with classic knitting, a scarf or a sweater might take you hundreds of rows to knit. Most giant yarn projects take no more than 20 rows. So this means they're easy to set up, they're easy to learn, and generally take much less time to complete than most classic knitting or crochet projects. We also have written and video tutorials for all of the project kits that we offer, and we're also always here to help you. Just email us at support@mamaknowsluxury.com. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, always feel free to email us at info@mamaknowsluxury.com. We're also always adding new blog posts and videos with fun, helpful information to all of our frequently asked questions. All right, thanks so much for watching and happy making.